Alright, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you the best way to add sound effects to animations in Unity using animation events. Alright, so I'll show you my quickly show you my setup here. So I have a character in my scene with with one animation, right? So with an animator playing one animation, and then also with an audio source. So make sure you add an audio source to your character, otherwise it's not going to work. And here I have my script that actually handles the animation events to play the sound. Alright. So let's take a look at that. So it's pretty simple actually. We just grab the audio source with get component because again it's on the same game object, right? And then we grab our audio clips through our inspector, right? Using serialized field, and then we just have two methods that play our audio clips, right? Through our audio source. Again, we do play one shot, which will play our audio clip once, right? And then I added used implicitly. This doesn't really do anything, but it just tells you that the method is not used through any of your script, right? It's used externally, so that way you don't get confused thinking that your method isn't getting called, right? So that way you remember that it's used externally, right? Because you're going to use it through the animation event, okay? So anyway, let's add our animation event. So I'm going to click on my character, go over to animation. So one thing I want to show you, a lot of the times you can actually not edit your animation. So there's an easy fix for that. So if I go over to my animation, which is this one, right? This is the animation I have, right? Yeah. So it comes with this FBX file. What you want to do, you want to come over to animation, right? And just hit Control D to duplicate it, right? And now you can just swap the animation with this one. It's going to be the exact same with the exact same settings, right? And now we can actually edit it. So if I come back here, go over to my character, click animation, now I can actually easily edit my animation and add events. So I'm going to actually just do that. So I'm going to go, I don't know, right here or something, and I'm going to add an event. Go to animation sounds. That's a script we just added, right? So we'll show any script you added to your player. Then methods, and I'm just going to click place for clip 1, all right? I'm going to hit play. There you go. As easy as that. So that's how you can add animation events. But I'm going to actually show you a better way to do it right away. So here you have to make, add all your audio clips separately and make a bunch of methods. But there's actually a much better way to do it, in my opinion. What we can actually do is make a method called play sound effect, right? We can actually take an audio clip in as an argument, okay? Then we can add brackets. Yeah, we can just play our we can just play our audio clip here. So we can just do audio source dot play one shot clip, right? Now I can head back to my editor, right? And now if I go back to the animation tab, I can go back to this event, and instead of just calling this method, right, you just go here, and then I can just add the audio clip I want. So I'm gonna just try the other one, right? There we go. That's it. As easy as that. So that's how you can easily add sound effects to animations, and you don't even have to make a bunch of meta. You can just create a new event and just add any sound effect you want. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to quickly show you where I got my sound effect and my animations. So I got my sound effect from Pixabay, right? So here's a link. And then I got my animations from Mixamo. So hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.